Oh no! Look at the kitchen!
I know, I am sorry.
What happened to the food? It's all black.
I used the recipe book. It said, use high heat.
It's okay. Cooking is hard. I know you tried.
You always eat pizza. I wanted to cook a nice dinner.
That's very sweet, but the food is black.
I know.
So, should we order food?
Pizza?
Yes, pizza is a great idea. I will get my phone.
Okay, but I want to cook again next time.
Okay, but maybe I can help you next time.
Yes, and it will be a good dinner. I am full, but look, there is a lot of food.
Yes, but I can't eat more.
Let's take it home.
Oh no, it is not good the next day.
But I don't like to waste food.
Okay, I see.
We can eat it for breakfast.
All right, but I will not eat it.
Excuse me, can we get this to go, please? I am full, so I will take it home.
Yes, of course. One moment, please.
Thank you.
Wow, Tracy, the wind is nice.
Andy, please slow down. You are driving too fast.
It's okay, there are no cars.
Stop! Look, a car! Please be careful, Andy.
Okay, sorry, I will slow down. But Tracy, this is no fun. I like to go fast.
Andy, look, over there.
What is it? Oh no, look at that car!
See? Driving fast is bad. That could be our car.
You are right. I'm sorry. I will drive slow now.
I need a new shirt for Olivia's birthday party.
Good idea.
I want a nice sweater and jeans.
Okay, let's look at sweaters.
Oh, look at this one. I like the color.
Yes, it's a nice color. Touch it. Is it soft?
Yes, it is very soft.
What is it?
Let me see. It is cotton.
Oh, nice. Do you want to try it on?
Yes. And look, the price is good. It's $39.99.
Wow, that's a good price. Maybe I want one too.
Great! Now I need new jeans.
I see some jeans over there. Let's go look.
I feel very stressed these days.
Oh no, why?
I work a lot and my back hurts.
You should try yoga.
Yoga, is it good for stress?
Yes, it's good for your body and helps you relax.
That's a good idea. Is there a yoga place near here?
Yes, my friend has a yoga place. I can give you her phone number.
Great, thank you so much. Hey, Jack, are you all right? You look a little down.
Not really. I'm feeling very stressed these days.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Is it because of your job?
Yes, exactly. I'm really not happy with it anymore.
I see. So what do you plan to do?
Well, I am thinking about quitting my job.
Wow, really? What's the reason?
This job is killing me. I'm going to quit and take a break.
Great idea. Self-care is key.